everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today I am bringing an amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is IBVM. So guys, let's start our video. We discuss further detail about this project IBVM rewards boards and airdrops detail. You can check here IBVM's official website interface. IBVM International Bitcoin Virtual Machine, a next generation layer 2 scaling solution for Bitcoin. So guys, you can contact us now, you can get started now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here, then you can connect wallet now. And next you can check here the wallet. You can download the IBM wallet on App Store, Google Play Store, decentralized escrow, IBM swaps. So you can swap now easily. Build a D app, experience IBM advantage, bring your VM to life. You can scroll down and check here the IBM advantage, the next generation layer to scaling solution for Bitcoin. IBM chain scales Bitcoin view ZK roll ups BitVM based program ability to create a robust ecosystem for larger adaptability. You can read it carefully. All is the advantage. You can join the IBM Elite Ambassador program. So guys, you can apply now. Then you can join the IBM Elite Ambassador program. IBM making BTC greener and efficient. So guys, you can join the IBM community now. You can check here. You can participate in airdrop now. Then you can get reward now. You can click here. You can see this how to become eligible for airdrop. So step 1, you can download the IBM wallet. It's available now on App Store, Google Play Store, Android APK. Step 2, get free BTC testnet token. You can check here the link. You can click this link, then you can get free BTC testnet token. Step 3, bridge BTC to IBM chain. Connect your IBM wallet, bridge successfully from BTC to IBM. Step 4, interact on the IBM chain. Step 5, join the rewards board. You can join Telegram reward board. You can see this link, then you can join now. And next guys, we can go to this project IBM official Twitter page link. You can check here IBM Twitter page, IBM International Bitcoin Virtual Machine, the first Bitcoin ZK rollup L2 protocol with UTXO partitioning technology. You can get free IBVMs now. So guys, you can follow the Twitter page. You can read it, the our strategic alliance. You can scroll down and check here. The IBVM referral challenge is live now. So guys, you can join now. You can check here top 50 refers and get rewards of 50,000 dollar USD. You can check here, and next guys, you can scroll down, check here. After IBMs, you can check here. You can like and comment post. You can check here. Big congrats to our IBM wallet quiz winners. Quiz winner get chance to win $270. So guys, you can join the quiz time now. You can see this key field in blockchain transactions. Quiz time. You can check here article. You can see this. Yeah, and next guys, you can scroll down and check here all post about this project IBM. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post about this project. And next we go to this project IBM official Telegram group chat community. You can see the IBM official group, 59,772 members that join here. So guys, you can join here and get little information about this project IBM. You can click here and see this important announcement. Just a few hours left. Click here to join the chance to get $1,000 USD giveaway pool, 66k celebrations, 20 winners to get 100 USD up for grabs now. Winners announced in 48 hours. So guys, don't forget to join now. You can check your all important announcement. You can see this. So guys, we go to this project IBM's reward board. Guys, you can see this IBM rewards board is open. So guys, you can click the start button, then you can click your start board button, then you can see this your IBM reward board is start now. So guys, you can check here the IBM reward board is loading. You can check here, welcome to IBM reward board. I am here. You can see this my IBM reward board is open. you can receive 20 IBM. And for open IBM reward boards, you can see this. You can withdraw your IBM amount. You can click here, then you can withdraw. Now you can check here, withdraw will be available once token generation event is completed. Guys, you can invite your friends. So guys, you can click the button and see this. You can invite your friend, then you can get bonus. Now you can see, if you invite one friend, you can get 15 IBM. Invite 3 friend, you get 45 IBM as a bonus. Invite 7 friend, you can get 105 IBM. Invite 15 friends, you can get 225 IBMs. Invite 50 friends, you can get 750 IBM. So guys, you can invite your friend, you can get bonus now. So I add my referral link in video description. You can register now, open the reward board now and get commission now. And next guys, you can complete your daily task. So guys, you can click here and see this. So your today task is, so you can check here, you can join Telegram group, you can receive 5 IBM. Open App Store or Play Store, then you can receive 50 IBVMs. Open, like and retweet the latest tweet, then you can get 5 IBVM. Drop your Twitter handle, then you can get 15 IBM. So guys, you can don't forget to complete your today task, then you can receive reward. Now you can check here, you can see the mini game of IBM rewards board. You can click here and see this mini games. You can check here, you can see this, you can play the game, then you can get IBM reward now. And next we back to the home page. So guys, our website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.